Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a really cool colored flicker effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text here, and I'm just going to type in an eye. You can also do a line, and make sure the font size is really big. You're going to kind of zoom in and you are going to scale it to like around 1,000 until it covers the whole video. You're going to change the color to the color you want. I'm just going to choose this kind of pink or like purple one. I think I'm just going to choose purple. I can't talk. And then you are going to go to animation, and you're going to select loop, and you are going to find the random flash, and you're going to adjust the speed to like 0.1 or 0.2-ish. And then you are going to go back and you're going to adjust the opacity a little bit if you'd like to, so it's not too bright, I guess. But you can kind of still see the purple. But if you want it to be really seen, you can adjust the opacity. You can change it into another color, like pink maybe. Where's the opacity? Okay, like so. But that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!